Bro's the winner. Bro, you don't. Gonna go back here. Bro, dancing. Oh, mill base. Mill base. Mill base! Everybody vote mill base. Oh.
Ginamit mo kasi agad cellphone mo. Diba, Tisay? Yan ang nakakalang. Ginamit niya. Hindi niya ginamit.
I got two springs. And a carrot knife. Carla, I got carrot knife and carrot gun.
Kasi para i-try ko yung donuts, sa'yo ay mo try ko yung
Spring.
spring.
Ito. Itong spring.
Ilang darwa?
No, isa lang. Kasi isa din naman yan.
Darwa, ibibigay ko din.
Bro, it's hacking. Bro's hacking.
Tapos yun
Hacking.
sobrang rare din yun. Tapos pag sobrang rare, darwa, ganun.
Oh, yeah. Get the egg. Bro. Someone just
Bye.
take the murder shit.
Nandiyan, yung egg.
Where's the...
Doon sa baba.
Wala naman egg na pang rare egg.
Meron ako nakakita pa yagi. Doon sa
I
baba.
murder again. It's been running. I hope Camo's here. Oh, running. Yeah. Bro's lagging. Bro's lagging. A rare egg has spawned. A rare egg. Finding the rare egg.
Yan, oh.
Oh, I got the rare egg. I got the rare egg.
Sabi mo,
Guys, I got the rare egg. My first rare egg.
ayaw nga.
Another rare egg got spawned.
Naka-charge sa'yo?
No. Bro. Run.
Mike?
Mighty Pops.
Ay, wala akong dala. Hindi, yung mic yung parang... okay. Wait lang.
Run.
Hindi mo na matutunan, mag-release na agad.
Possible
of inside. Iba pala yung ano na lang. Para sa ganito na lang para sa inside.
I hope no one has spawned.
Hindi
No! Carla! I found a rare egg! Carla! Look, I just found. I got a robot egg.
Only one?
Yeah.
We found four.
Bro, you're just saying. Bro, you're just playing impossible hobbies. Bro, spamming. Bro, spamming. Now let's go. Carla, and someone trade me a spring. The spring. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna join you guys.
I will join you.
No, I already left.
Join me on my server.
Okay, let's play your private server. Okay, we're gonna play.
Can you play
our
Just to Impress?
Of course. Let's
Okay.
go play Just
Join
to
me.
Impress. And bye bye guys. Hope